Hi there, this is Mrs. Adam with our next output episode, and today we are going to look at the buzzer. This is oftentimes one of the fun ones because you guys will start making your Microbit make sounds. You can make sounds, beeping, music, things like that. So let's get started. The buzzer is considered an output. It makes the sound for the end user to hear. That's what the buzzer looks like. We talked about it makes sounds. The buzzer is used to notify someone that something is wrong. You could also use it to make a little piano or make music, things like that too. So hooking up the buzzer is rather straightforward. The buzzer, if you look real close at it, it has a positive side and a negative side on it. This is very important. I have students oftentimes get the sides mixed up. So when you're looking at the buzzer, the positive side, you're going to hook one of the alligator clips with pinchers on. So you're going to take your alligator with the pincher, you're going to clip it into the positive side. Now this positive side, the other side of the alligator clip, will go to P0. With the buzzer, you always have to hook it up to P0. You could put it on the other pins, 1 or 2, but what it's going to do, it's just going to make a beeping sound. It's not going to be able to do the different pitches and tones. So I always suggest to students, always use P0 for the buzzer. So the positive side is going to P0. Now the negative side on my buzzer, hook the other alligator clip, and then that other one will go to ground. Just like that. Okay. Now, once I download my code, you should hear the beeping. Okay, I'll just reset it so you can hear it. So I just beeped that middle C for 1 beat. So this is a try code. This try code is a very easy try code. You're just going to say on start, play the middle C note for 1 beat. And so I'll switch over here to make it's the same thing there. You can test it in your emulator. It's just going to, once you turn the Microbit on, it's going to play the middle C for 1 beat. That's all the code is saying. And so here I'll test it one more time on my actual Microbit. I'm going to hit reset. And there's the middle C for 1 beat. Okay, I don't think you should have too much issues with this project. Just remember, if you do, you can go back to the help zone to look at the color-coded help sheets. I have this tutorial video posted on Schoology along with the help sheet. You have the help sheet also in your notebook. And just like always, ask 3 before me. Good luck and happy coding.